There is one country that is famous for having an abundance of beautiful beaches in the world. In this video we are going to show you the geographical features of the Philippines. The Philippines is an island country located in the western Pacific Ocean. It is an archipelago consisting of 7,107 islands covering around 300,000 square kilometers of land. The country is divided into three major groups, which is Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao. Luzon is the major island to the north where the country's capital, Manila, is located. Luzon is also the 15th largest island in the world. Visayas is a cluster of islands in the middle of the archipelago, and Mindanao is the southernmost island group. As of 2021, the population of the Philippines is about 111 million. The country is located along the typhoon belt in the Pacific. There is an average of 20 typhoons that visited the Philippines each year. Aside from typhoons, it is also prone to frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions because it is positioned at the Pacific Ring of Fire. Technically speaking, there are 53 active volcanoes in the Philippines. The volcanoes of the Philippines are formed due to the junction of the Philippine tectonic plate and Eurasian plate. These volcanoes is considered as most deadly in the world, as 13% of its historic eruptions have caused fatalities. MAYON volcano is the most active volcano in the country. It is very dangerous as its location could soon combine in explosive and deadly eruption. But Philippines is not just about having deadly volcanoes and destructive typhoons, it is also about having beautiful beaches and different sceneries that deserves to be recognized. Boracay Island is one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. It is famous for having pristine white beaches and great nightlife experience. El Nido, on the other hand, is located at Palawan, which is known for its stunning lagoons, rocky islets and towering limestone cliffs. 100 Islands, are also known as 100 Precious Gem, is one of the top Philippine countryside attraction. It is famous for having the natural beauty of primeval caves and white sand beaches. On the other aspect, Philippines' geographic location is very advantageous because the sea area of the country is the main route of marine vessels as well as an international route for commercial airplanes. Aside from being rich in beautiful islands and white sand beaches, the Philippines is also blessed with metal and mineral deposits. The Philippines is the fifth most mineral-rich country in the world for gold, nickel, copper, and chromite. It is home to the largest copper-gold deposit in the world. The island of the Philippines is indeed incomparable to other countries. Its natural beauty and rich biodiversity is probably the reason why it is called Pearl of the Orient Sea.